They say life is what happens to you when you're busy making plans. At this point, I think it's safe to say that life has been happening to me. Sometimes what you want just doesn't want you. Or maybe it's just the system that's broken and needs to be fixed. Either ways, I'm choosing to see life as a game. And no, it's not over. Not until I win. Today, I have made plans. And I'm sure life has its own plans too. But let's see who wins. So recently, Nigeria has been happening to me, and I don't know how to feel about it. About 2 weeks now, we've not had light. Like, we've not had power supply. Like, the most essential thing in the world. Okay, after maybe water and food and shelter. And it's kind of making me feel so bad. I excitedly got my system in February, and for the longest time I'd been wanting to get tech skills. The whole of December we had not constant power supply, but it was stable to an extent. And the whole of that period I was feeling pained because I was just wishing that I had gotten my system so that I could get on with the things I needed to do. And guess what, as soon as I got a system, the light started to hacked up. And I have a lot going on for me that I need to do on my system. Many times I want to prepare lecture notes for my students. I have a data science class going on. Yeah, so now I feel handicapped. I live in a school environment presently, so see you. Bye. I want to go around and see my options. I want to visit the ICT and see if I can stay there to work. So I tried talking to the security woman who referred me to the security man who insisted that I couldn't stay, so I had to leave and look for other options. I was so pained, you could literally see the pain on my face, but we move. I'm off to try my luck at their innovation hub. There's usually light there to an extent, so let's see if I'll be allowed to stay and work. That's the student hub right over there. It's where the students of the university are taught tech skills. So I entered and spoke with them, and I was allowed to stay and work. And I thought, oh, finally it's over. But guess what? It wasn't over. It's a really cool place. The ambience was so beautiful and it was so nice just sitting there and working. But guess what? It was short lived. So, yeah, they allowed me to stay. But guess who had to leave? Light. Light had to leave about 30 minutes after I got there. I just sat there staring at my screen and wondering what next to do. But then I got talking with this guy that I met there, and he had another option for me. My new friend suggested that we go to the park, the school park. The school park has a mini market and has some private cafes that offer printing and other services to the students. And that's where we went. And luckily, we were allowed to stay. I was allowed to stay and work on my system. But then I couldn't stay for long because I was already so tired. and it was already evening, so we had to leave. What do for Calabar?
Nine now. I just like them. I like the they cook office, different kinds of soup. They cook nice soup.
Wait, fair. Murphy's Law. All that can go wrong will go wrong. But are we supposed to give up? Because even when I eventually got what I wanted, I still could not stay well to use it because by then I was so exhausted from trying. But does that mean that we don't try at all? Anyways, I started to make my own way back home. Sweet home. But home is also where comfort stays and comfort strangles our dreams and our hopes. And I didn't want that to happen to me. And that was why I left home in the morning. But going back home, did I eventually achieve what I wanted to? Did I do all that I could have that day? I don't know. I think I tried. I did try my best. But I don't know if my best was enough. But maybe that's the whole point of existing. Putting in our best efforts every day to get what we want. So here's why I think the system might truly be broken. And maybe you can't fix it, but you can't allow it to stop you. Plan and try and plan and try again. Tomorrow is another day.